Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to help you take your channel to the next level at the lowest price possible with this tool. It's called VidIQ, and to do that we are about to use a promo code. Of course, if you are a YouTuber, you already know how powerful this tool is. It can help YouTubers like you and me with everything from keyword research to video optimization and much more. Okay, now let's see where to get your promo code as a first step, then how to use it. So to get your promo code, there are several ways. For example, you can check a social media platform like Reddit or Facebook or Twitter. But the problem with the promo codes listed on these places is that it can be already expired. So the other method is to check a coupon website. And to do that, to make it easy for you, all you have to do is to head over to this VidIQ promo codes page. You can find a direct link to it in the description of this video. As you can see, today we have 5 verified promo codes. The highest discount you can expect is 90% discount. If you scroll down, you will find more information you may want to know about this tool. Now, to use your promo code, let's, for example, pick the last one. All you have to do is to click this get code. Now, let's get our pop-up here. You have to click the coupon to copy it. You can also inform if this coupon is still working or not. You can share it. It is very important to read the terms of this coupon by clicking this show information button here. For example, for this coupon, it is only valid for the monthly plans. So now after copying the coupon, click go to VidIQ. Now here on the VidIQ, go to pricing to let's pick our plan. Here in the plans page, you have to click this view all. Of course, we are going to pick the monthly plan. Pick the first one, for example, click upgrade to bust. Now here in the checkout page, you will see this field is called add promo code. Click it, paste your code here and click apply. Now, as you can see, you have just saved some cash, and that's all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.